Do you know what we can find in the kitchen? Let's learn and find out together useful vocabulary words. These words will help you talk about cooking, food, and everyday kitchen activities in English. Let's begin. This is a stove. We use it to cook food by heating pots and pans. Can you say stove? Oven. An oven is used for baking cookies, cakes, and yummy pizza. Say oven. Refrigerator. This is a refrigerator. It keeps our food fresh and cold. Can you say refrigerator? Sink. A sink is where we wash our hands, plates, and cups. Say sink. This is a spoon. We use to eat soup or cereal. Say spoon. Fork. A fork helps us eat noodles, vegetables, and more. Can you say fork? Knife. A knife is used to cut food. But be careful. Always ask an adult for help. Say knife. Plate. A plate is where we put our food before we eat. Say plate. Cup. A cup is what we use to drink water, milk, or juice. Say cup. Blender. A blender mixes fruits and milk to make a smoothie. Say blender. Pot. A pot is used for cooking soups, pasta, and stews. Say pot. Pan. This is a pan. We use it to fry eggs, pancakes, and more. Say pan. Ladle. A ladle helps us serve soup or sauces. Say ladle. Whisk. A whisk is used to mix eggs, batter, or sauces. Say whisk. Spatula. A spatula helps us to flip pancakes, eggs, or burgers. Say spatula. Rolling pin. A rolling pin is used to flatten dough for cookies or pizza. Say rolling pin. Grater. A grater is used to shred cheese or vegetables. Say grater. Strainer. A strainer helps remove water from pasta or vegetables. Say strainer. Measuring cups. It helps us measure ingredients when cooking or baking. Say measuring cups. Now let's review the kitchen words that you have learned. Blender, cup, rolling pin, knife, ladle, spatula, stove, oven, refrigerator, sink, grater, pot, pan, plate, spoon and fork, whisk, strainer, measuring cups. Now you have learned so many words we use in the kitchen. Can you remember which ones you use every day? Comment down below and let us know. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next fun learning adventures. See you next time, and remember, learning